all friggin' taking a movie. That's cool.
There was some here before, but
Where?
coming.
See it while we're watering out.
You'll see it in a sec. You get like the whole thing right now.
Yeah. Yeah, I like those Mopars. They're sweet. Yeah, these Falcons are awesome.
Hey, Andrew.
Yeah.
Did that guy say he had a 79 Fairmont here?
No, it was a Monarch. I think so. It has a 6 in it, he's saying. I like these Chargers too. They're awesome. Bigger the better, man. It's the way cars are. That's the way it should be.
Yeah, that car's got a real nice finish on it.
I know.
Oh, isn't it?
It's like, as much as I don't like heavy metal playing, I like this. This is cool.
Get some of that.
This is.
Oh, look at that.
You should see that rat rod I seen this morning, dude. Like it had like a 6-inch roof on it.
Oh, that's a camera or a friggin' 4-valve.
Just
made
cut
to look
channel.
like one.
I thought you were coming early.
Yeah.
Some roadster.
No, I don't think so. 'Cause that's
No.
like a timing cover on it.
No, that's not a 4-valve. I don't think so.
I think that's either a 460. It's got those John Case heads on it.
Yeah. Oh, and this is a nice one, yeah. Yeah. Strato Chief, huh? Oh, hole there.
That's it. So nice. been looking like that for
Supposed to be really here.
yeah, so basically if it doesn't clear up like on the way back today, we're just gonna have to, when you get your adapter, just clean your carb out, get like a power valve for it. And it could be, since everything is hooked up wrong, your time is gonna be wrong. Yeah. I'd say we could adjust it, but if it was not running at all, I'd say let's take a chance.
Yes, the other part.
Yeah, it was running like fine basically yesterday. Just this morning.
Could have just sucked something up today.
All right, let's go down and then back.
What do you?
Like down this aisle and then back this aisle, yeah. So I can get both sides. So that's what people don't do too. Rambler. $2,800 for this. 6-cylinder, 5,500 miles.
Rambler?
Yeah, Rambler, 4 doors. Excellent looking Ford. Super deluxe. It's a weird Ford delivery van thing.
Thames.
Thames? Oh, Thames. Oh, I thought I said Ford. My bad. And an S6, Super 6.
Highway man. There we go.
Chevy in it.
This is the Monarch.
Yeah. Are they Fox bodies? No.
They're like earlier Mustang.
Yeah.
And all these cars you get a Pontiac.
Monarch. Mercury.
Oh yeah.
I was concerned about the drum brakes.
Well, the drum brakes,
The power says they were great.
Yep.
Been around the road.
Lincoln Zephyr. Flathead V12.
No, can't say that. She never texts you.
Mercury Monterey.
It's not like that, just drive every day.
Yeah, no. I wouldn't want to change much. Not much at all. It's Really good look.
Looks like.
It's got sports suite. Yeah, that two-door.
Sorry, it's got that cool look though. It's like, it's like, is it like super roddy and like fucked up or something? I thought
Oh, yeah, video that Manx coming in too.
yeah, I saw you. Good.
I know, get the sound. Delicious fat flathead force or flat four sound.
I was gonna ask Dad if you saw the movie.
Yeah. Awesome Myers Manx. Maybe it's a look-alike, who knows. Again.
Like have that motor in your looks like it.
We have a motor like that.
Those pedals are so small and stuck together. I'd be worried about hitting a brake pedal.
I don't think you can see that in that, but
I love this.
I know gremlins are sweet.
Tries not to eat gremlin X around.
Yeah. Just normal gremlin. See our cars in the background. The Haveling Canada, the H, that's all I can think of. And it's got a plane, so that's what I would assume. Hemi. Morris Minor, 1,000.
Yeah, that could be like a generator.
Yeah.
It's almost like a briefcase.
Yeah, I know. It's just, you know, when anyone wants to steal your car, you just reach down.
Yeah, just have a handle on it, carry it inside.
Yeah, you think it's cool? Viper motor?
Yeah.
It's got a mock piston for a shifter. It's pretty neat.
Other than that,
Yes, beautiful day. Just shaped up.
They're
so this is a 59, eh? You're newer than the one I have. Well, how many kids have come through here? Oh my goodness. No, sure, they'll put that. No, or with that, no, it's not. There's something else, it's not.
very cool, right? Yeah. I like this.
$9,500 isn't too bad.
We just need to find one that's like
It's quite a lot, actually.
No. A little more advanced than ours. It actually is a real heater. Derek row was totally different.
Dakota. Dodge Dakota.
there's the other. What? I asked Mr. Harvard about Maycons, but he says plenty of I don't really understand the freaking reasoning for it. They probably want
Nash Metropolitan. Nice peachy pink color. Nash. It is. It is him in that van.
I can't even. It's not four-wheel drive.
I like this Buick here. This is awesome with the red pinstripe.
That was the day he got. That was the day my dad had a stroke. Oh.
It's a nice Buick.
He's in there building. Did you want to stop after this one? And then we'll continue out to there and head out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, surprised my car the whole way up here. It went up when I went up the hill a bit. You could hear it like because it was leaning out.
I just want to
get
get
to like
this
206,
on. Okay.
207, and then as soon as it flattened right out, and went right back down. Bang! I'm gonna get the Jets this pay. I mean, the Jets, but the fucking. I like that.
What?
I love this T-Bird.
I know, it's nice.
Probably my favorite getting over rather than the earlier ones, just because everyone else has them.
I don't know. I don't see why people say it's always big bumper road. But it didn't stop. I just thought it was a drive through.
No, dog. It's the guy that was down the street, he's got a set of bike plans. That
Yeah. I want to get it as it drives away.
Yeah.
Sounds awesome. I know, I can't wait till Kate's bug runs.
Should sound a little raspier than that. But.
Isn't this an Acadian though? I thought.
No, it's a Nova. It's,
It's a Nova? I like those years.
It's just a big bumper. What?
No, I just thought the Novas looked slightly different, but.
I want the old Volvo Apache wagon. It's like a little two-door wagon.
Oh yeah, I saw one of those in Mike's Auto.
Yeah, that's where I saw the one I wanted. That's what gave me the idea. It'd be fucking amazing to put a 5-liter 5-speed motor.
Oh yeah.
No, that's Bill, the guy that does all that metal.
Wishes it was a Ford. Rover Mark III. Really neat.
I didn't have to go to the car. I had to go by. It's supporting type of thing. And like I said, I just had to get used now to get that thing.
Look at the Rover, man.
Yeah.
Rover Mark III. I just want to get these and I'm going to go back that way.
I used to park it down.
Studefaker. Slice pudding. At least he's honest about it.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna take off.
All right, man.
Yeah, I'll be right back to you. I'm gonna come with them. Just,
Yeah, no worries.
Just act up.
No worries.
I'll meet up with you.
Yeah.
Well, it's pretty beat up.
Non-existent.
It's been around for a while.
Non-existent.
Notice this way. Pontiac station wagon. Safari.
I have.
It works without it.
We went out. They have that. Something like that. Whenever they have that Christmas and New Year's get together. We said, shortly after we got there, he wanted to drink it. He said, I smell a barbecue.
Cutlass. 12.5 safety. Oh my god. That is steep. Okay. Awful car beside this car. Nice El Camino. What's up?
See your link?
Yeah. I was kind of taking a video of the bug and him at the same time. Let's get these cars first.
Can you get them?
Yeah, I'm gonna get them first.
Oh, I see.
He said he has a couple. He says there are girls playing with the he's playing with the easy stuff. He's not playing with the hard stuff. Dave's almost got Google. Can't find it, Dave. Strangers in the night.
Oh.